If HandBrake is giving you an error reading disk, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most effective fixes step by step so you can get your DVD or disk loaded properly and start ripping again. This is especially useful if HandBrake suddenly stops detecting your disk, shows an inaccessible device error, or the activity log keeps reporting red issues. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open HandBrake on your Windows PC. Once the app is open, go to the top menu and click Tools, then choose Preferences. This opens the main settings area where you can change a few important options that affect how HandBrake reads disks. Inside Preferences, look at the left-hand sidebar and select the Advanced tab. This section is where you'll find a setting that can make a big difference for DVD reading. Scroll until you see the DVD reading section. Here, you want to check the box that says Disable a libdvdcss instead. This tells HandBrake to use a different disk reading method, which can help bypass certain reading problems and compatibility issues. After enabling that option, restart HandBrake completely. Don't just close the window, make sure the program fully exits and then open it again so the change actually takes effect. A lot of users skip this step, but the restart is what commits the setting and makes it active. If HandBrake is still failing to read the disk, the next thing to do is add the required DLL file manually. Download the 64-bit libdvdcss-2.dll file from a trusted source, such as the official Videolan releases. This file helps HandBrake work with encrypted DVDs more reliably. Once the file is downloaded, right-click your HandBrake desktop icon and select Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where HandBrake is installed. In most cases, the standard path is c:/program files/handbrake. When you're inside that folder, paste the libdvdcss-2.dll file directly into it. Make sure the DLL goes into the main HandBrake installation folder, not into a random subfolder, because HandBrake needs to find it when it launches. Now let's talk about one of the most common Windows 11 issues. An inaccessible device or permissions problem. Windows security features can sometimes block HandBrake from accessing the physical disk drive directly. If that's happening, the simplest fix is to run HandBrake as an administrator. Right-click the HandBrake icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app higher permissions and can solve drive access issues immediately. If it still doesn't work after that, you'll want to check the activity log. In HandBrake, look for the notepad-style icon in the top right corner and open it. The log can tell you exactly what kind of problem you're dealing with. If you see an error like libdvdred, can't open file, that usually points to a permission issue or an admin rights problem. In that case, running as administrator or adjusting permissions is the right fix. But if the log says no titles found, that means the issue is probably not permissions. It could be a scratched disk, a damaged disk, or more advanced copy protection such as 99 title protection, which HandBrake cannot handle on its own. In that situation, the problem is with the disk itself or the type of protection on it, and not just HandBrake settings. So to quickly recap, first change the DVD reading setting in Preferences, then restart HandBrake, then add the libdvdcss-2.dll file to the HandBrake install folder, and finally run the app as administrator if Windows is blocking access. After that, use the activity log to identify whether you're dealing with permissions, a bad disk, or protection that HandBrake can't read. If this tutorial helped you fix the HandBrake error reading disk problem, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.